Hi guys, if you're cruising into Nassau, Bahamas and wondering what to do, you're in the right place. Join me today as I explore this port, find a few things to get into, and climb a lot of steps.
We're a retired couple, and our goal is to travel as much as possible while we're physically able, without draining our retirement savings. Our channel is all about inspiring you to embrace your golden years while navigating the world on a fixed income, one voyage at a time. Good morning, everyone. I am getting off of the Carnival Sunshine cruise ship, and today there are 4 ships in port. So today is a warm day, and so we're looking forward to checking out Nassau, Bahamas. So come along with us. So if you're into shopping, there are plenty of places to shop here. So you can definitely get your fill. They've got a lot of jewelry, clothing, different types of things. So and then you also have the straw market too. More shopping down this way. So you got your watches. Shop to your heart's content. Downtown straw market. So here's the market. You get lots of different things in here that you can purchase. And as you can see, lots of different things that you can buy here. So if you're a shopper, this might be another place for you to check out. Lots of different things here for you to purchase from locals. So I just left the straw market. It was back over there behind me, and I'm making a left down here and towards this way. Now, I must admit, most of the times I've been to Nassau, I've been here in years. We usually just come to Senior Frogs, which is terrible, isn't it? But I wanted to just this time get a chance just to walk around and explore the city a little bit more. So that's our ship over there. As you can see, the water's so pretty and blue. No, thank you. The water's so pretty and blue. I guess you can take boat rides and things like that. They do say be careful though, because you know, you're not really sure. You know, if any of these people are licensed. So just be careful with who you select to do that way. So other things you can do over there. Oh, that's new. I don't remember that. Yeah, it may have been there before. I don't remember. And of course, Senior Frogs. Thank you. Okay, I'm at the Pirates of the Museum here in Nassau, and the entrance fee was $14 for adults, and He says that I am in 1716, I think is what he said. Okay, guys, I'm a scaredy cat, and there's nobody else here with me. There's another couple that left earlier. I hope nothing jumps out at me. I'm such a scaredy cat. I feel like I'm in a horror movie. Hope it's just sound effects. Now, if this is an actual replica of the ship, it is pretty small. I guess I'm comparing it to cruise ships that are around now, but here comes another couple, thank God. Okay, so yeah, it says it holds about 35 men. So yeah, they're not that big. So I just left the Pirates of the the Pirates Museum, and it was really good. I really enjoyed it. It was very informative. It was $14. Somebody said that's pricey, but I thought it was worth it. I've had a huge family. I don't know, but anyway, I think the kids will like it too. So I'm going to try to see if I can find the Queen's Staircase. If you're finding value in our content, please consider subscribing to the channel and ring that notification bell so that you'll know when our next video drops. Thanks so much for your support. Okay, so she said go down here on Bay Street, and you're going to make a right on Elizabeth Avenue. So we'll see. So I just made this right on Elizabeth Avenue. So I'm going to head up here, and hopefully it's right. I don't think you can get too lost. So off of Bay Street, make a right. And let's see what we get. It's probably the last stop. It is hot. I did not dress appropriately. And my navigator, Kevin, went to do something else. So hopefully we'll get some footage and you guys can see that as well. Here we go. Okay, guys, so from Elizabeth Avenue, it wasn't that far. I mean, maybe 10-minute walk. And it is so cool and relaxing up here. It's beautiful. So I'm going to try to walk it. I have 7,000 steps in already. So let's see if we can add some more up this way. But absolutely beautiful. Not bad at all, guys. Not bad at all. Yay! So guys, that was my day here in Nassau, Bahamas. It was nice. The people are very friendly. I'm looking forward to coming back. A lot of times I just come and walk around a little bit, but this time I actually tried to do some of the things here. I've also been over to Paradise. When I come back on other trips, I'll do different things. But anyway, that's my trip today here in Nassau, Bahamas. Thanks so much for watching. So until next time, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment about some of the things that you've done when you've been here in Nassau, Bahamas. I will look forward to hearing from you. Okay, I'm going to head back to the cruise ship. Take care, everyone, and safe travels.